Hello, welcome to Cooking Plant Forward, and today I'm going to show you how to stop wasting your money on salad dressing. It's very easy to make. Once you know how to make it, you can experiment with all different types of flavors and save money from buying it in a bottle. Not only will you save money, but it also tastes a lot better, and you can even match the dressing to the type of salad that you like. So hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me. I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so we're going to make a vinaigrette today, just a basic vinaigrette that I make all the time. We eat a ton of salads in our house, so I like to make the vinaigrette in a bowl, just get it going, and then I just throw the croutons in and the salad in, toss it all in there together, and then we all have a bowl of salad. Very easy. And a great way to get the kiddos to eat salad, and I am addicted to salad, so there's a salad every day for me, must have it. And this is a great way because this is so delicious and you don't have to buy store-bought dressing that is not nearly as good. So to start this off, we're going to start with the acid. Now, there's lots of different types of vinegar, which is the acid. Red wine vinegar is what we're using today. You can also use a champagne vinegar, rice vinegar, or apple cider vinegar is a good one as well. So I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now, I always put the salt directly into the vinegar to dissolve the salt. Make sure it's ground real fine. There is kosher salt in here, but it's nice and fine. So usually about 1/4 teaspoon to start. You can change that later on if you like. And then Dijon mustard. This makes it creamy. It adds a wonderful flavor to it. About 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of the Dijon mustard. Now you can experiment with fresh herbs if you like. Dry herbs, okay, if that's all you have, but a fresh herb makes a huge difference when it comes to the flavor profile of the dressing. So this is parsley, whatever you have in the garden, whatever you have fresh. You can use, I like oregano as well. It's a great one. And then I also like to add just a little bit of spice for that little kick in that salad. Makes a big difference. So red pepper flakes, just a pinch. And then this particular dressing, I love shallots. It's from the onion family, and I mince them up real small. Gives a little bit of a crunch to the dressing, and also that flavor profiles just builds and builds. It's delicious. So a little bit of minced shallots, about a tablespoon and a half or so. And then we're just going to start whisking that up and get it all nice and incorporated. That smells great. Love that smell. I love the vinegar. All right, that is all incorporated. Next up, we're going to add our oil. There's a couple different oils that you can choose from as well. There's walnut oil, there's hazelnut oil. We're going to be using olive oil today. You can use a canola oil or a vegetable oil if you like, but it's not a whole lot of flavor in those. But you will still have a vinaigrette with all the rest of the flavors. But olive oil is my favorite. There is literally infinite amount of combinations that you can use for oil and vinegar, and then fresh herbs, spices, anything you want to put in there. You can experiment away. Because this particular dressing that I'm making today is we're going to make a salad in here. We're all going to eat. It's going to be gone. And then tomorrow I'm going to make another one with a different flavor profile. You can match your flavor profiles of your vinaigrette to which salad that you're having. That's a great idea. Just remember that the key here with making a vinaigrette is it's a 3-to-1 ratio from oil to vinegar. So 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. You want to make sure that you dissolve everything in the vinegar in the bowl first, and then we're going to start what's called the emulsification. And that's where you take your oil and you slowly drizzle it into the bowl while you're whisking, and then it's going to incorporate together and emulsify. Come on in, I'll show you. As you can see, this is all at the bottom of the bowl here. The salt is dissolved. You got your vinegar, shallots, herbs, ready to go. So we just started out with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So we're going to start adding in 6 tablespoons of oil at a slow drizzle as we whisk to create that emulsification. Don't hurry this. Take your time. Go real slow, little drizzle at a time. Beautiful. Wow, that smells so good. A little bit more salt, black pepper. Don't forget to try it. And there we have it, a vinaigrette. Lots of flavor, so delicious, fresh, just really is going to make that salad taste wonderful. And then from here, I put the croutons right into the dressing first. Then I take the salad, put all the goodies in there, and then toss it. Just toss it until you use up all of that vinaigrette. And what you're going to have is a delicious salad for the entire family. If you like it, put it in the comments. What flavor profiles did you use in your vinaigrette? And if it worked out great for you, awesome. Keep trying different combinations, and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Cooking Plant Forward.